everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to unblock your phone from blocked Wi-Fi. So there's no direct way to do that, but in order to do that, you can simply change the MAC address of your Wi-Fi. So for that, what you have to do is simply go to settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. Find the option for network and internet and tap on it. Now you'll be led to network and internet interface. Over here what you have to do is find the option for internet and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the available Wi-Fi over here. Simply tap on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Now you'll be able to see the network details over here. Over here you'll be able to find several options like signal strength, frequency, security, etc. What you have to do is find the option for privacy and tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. If you're using the device MAC right now, simply tap on the option use randomized MAC. Or if you're using randomized MAC right now, simply tap on the option use device MAC. Either way, simply change the way it was. Now after you do that, your phone will be unblocked from the blocked Wi-Fi because your MAC address has been changed. So like this, your problem can be fixed. So that is how you unblock your phone from blocked Wi-Fi. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.